Welcome to the customer support demo overview, where we will show you how the template has been built, as well as how it's going to be previewed inside of the mobile phone itself. So inside the messenger conversation. This demo is meant to be able to show you the power of adding a chatbot to automate your customer support and reduce tickets by as much as 80%. So let's start the demo by pressing the button Get Started, and let's see what we are going to get. So the first step is that we will get the introduction towards demo, and there we have the Welcome to Customer Support Demo. Then we have the middle text showing, and lastly we have the button to learn more. So let's press the button Learn More. And then we move on towards the second block, which you can see that will showcase what this demo is currently supporting, and you have a good overview of what you can expect. Once done, we will get a button to start the actual demo. So if we press Start Demo, then we will go towards the main customer support flow. And if we take a look there, we will have a few options to choose from, as you can see. We have a technical support, we have billing, and we have contact details. Each step, each option will go towards its own flow to keep it nicely organized. So let's say we are going with technical support. So if we go towards this flow, then you will see that this main topic will be divided into subtopics. And currently we support 3 subtopics like login issues, bug reporting, and account issues. But let's go towards the login issues. You will then get this confirmation step, and then we will get towards the next question. Do you have an issue with your username or your password? Then you can make another choice. So let's say we are going to go and press the issue with a username. Then you will see inside the flow that we have a Google Sheets integration. And this means that we are going to search for the answer inside of a FAQ section that we built entirely inside of Google Sheets. So if we take a look, you will see that we have a column named topics, right? And we have the description, so the answer. So we are going to search in the column topics. And if we take a look here inside the Google Sheet action, you will see that we are searching for the spreadsheet customer support demo, and the worksheet will be FAQ, but we have a filter because we now know the main issue that a user has, in this case, a username issue. We are going to search the column, the topic column, inside the Google Sheet for the username issue. And then, once found, it should map out the description part. So this means that we are going to map this description, as we see at the options below. We will map this description back towards the custom field answer, and then display the answer towards the user. So let's press the button username and see if this integration, this lookup, is working correctly. So here you will see the options that we chose, and then you will see the correct response inside the Google Sheet as well. So you will see that we have the description mapped. When having issues with your username, please take a look at the following to resolve it. And then we get a step-by-step tutorial on how to potentially resolve this issue without opening a support ticket. Last but not least, we will wait for 10 seconds so the user can basically read the answer, and then we will go to the next step. If they need more help, they can press the button for live chat support, and then they will be connected towards live chat. And otherwise, they can just type in menu to go back towards the main menu again. So if we type in menu, you will see that we will get forwarded back towards the main menu again. Another use case could be that a customer has a certain issue and they start just typing in stuff instead of pressing buttons. The chatbot will need to be able to respond to that as well. And that is why that we implemented Dialect Flow as an AI to understand the user's text input and send them to the correct response. So let's say that a user types in something like I cannot add new workflows. If we press the send message button, then the chatbot should be able to come up with a decent reply. And the way this works, as you can see here, we have a step-by-step tutorial that's being fetched from a Google Sheet. As we look for the workflows issue, this answer will be mapped from the Google Sheets towards the chatbot, and then it shows inside the conversation itself. So the way this works is once a user types in something inside the chatbot, the default reply will trigger. And this default reply has been attached towards a Dialect Flow training agent. Inside of Dialect Flow, you will have certain training phrases, and Dialect Flow is able to understand the user's text input and then comes with a solution to send a certain block inside the chatbot. This block has been named workflows, and if we go inside the chatbot flow, you will see once we go towards the technical support, we have a block called workflows. So in this case, the chatbot already knows that there is an issue with the workflows and goes inside the Google Sheets to search for an answer and then display it directly towards this user. And this is how the customer support demo has been built. The dialect flow is optional because it adds a little bit more of a smarter intelligence towards the chatbot, but you can enable it to also understand a user's typed text input.